In this video, I'm going to show you how you can save filters on Snapchat in 2020. Okay, so all you need to do is launch up Snapchat, and then that's going to take you to the video creation page. And then you want to tap on that emoji next to the record button on the right. Then you can go ahead and tap on explore at the bottom right. And now you can go ahead and explore all the different kinds of filters on Snapchat. So if I just select any one of these and then I flip the camera, I can take a photo, and then you can see at the bottom left hand corner it says save. If I tap on that, that is now being saved, and I can go ahead and quickly get to this filter on the video creation page. So I can go back now, back one more time, and there you can see the filter is right there for me to use on this page. If I flip the screen again, you can see it's the same filter, and I can go ahead and take a photo from here. So that is how you save filters on Snapchat in 2020. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.